Hey guys, today we are coming again with a new way on how to fix your screen problem on Tecno. This is a Tecno phone. Let's try to power it on. As you can see, this phone has a screen problem. The screen is only turning to white, so I think we have to change the screen. This is a, let's try to check the model number. This is Tecno T301, and let's try to disassemble first. Let's check out the screw. We are checking out the screw. Let's check a tweezer, and so this is the screen, and I think the problem is the flex cable over here is cutted. So this only way to fix the problem is to remove the screen and to put the new one. And let's put a soldering paste. And we are going to use a gun to remove the LCD. After then, you need to clean the extra soldering. You have to clean the extra soldering. After cleaning the extra soldering, we are going to take a new LCD, and you have to align it on a right way. So I have to align it in a right way. I think here. Then we are going to soldering it using a gun. Let's put extra. Let's clean the gun. And let's put extra soldering paste. And we are going to soldering. As you can see here, now I have already done soldering the new LCD. Okay, let's try to test our new LCD. Let's take a battery. As you can see now, the new LCD is working. So let's remove the plastic. There's a plastic here on the new LCD, so let's remove this plastic. And now we are going to put back everything. And let's put back the screw.